I know we don't love to think about what happens if we're suddenly not around or if we can't make decisions anymore, but ignoring it, that could throw your business into chaos, and nobody wants that. So let me share something I saw firsthand a few years ago. My bookkeeper called, sounded flustered, saying she'd be late for our meeting. When she finally arrived, she explained why. One of her long-time clients had passed away suddenly and unexpectedly. As you can imagine, it was a huge shock. But on top of that, she had a serious issue to deal with: how to pay the salaries that were due. The business owner had been the sole signatory on the bank accounts. No one else had access, which meant no one could authorise payments for the 9 employees. It was a nightmare. Here's the hard truth: if your business can't survive without you, you haven't built a business, you've built a job. A real business runs smoothly even when you're not there, and that's why you need a continuity plan in place. So who steps in if you're out of action? How will they keep the business running? Write it down, make sure your team knows the drill, and I promise you'll sleep a lot easier knowing everything won't fall apart if you need to step back. But it doesn't end there. There are a few things that aren't just nice to haves, they're absolute must-haves. First up, a will. And no, it's not just about deciding who gets what, it's about protecting your business. Without a will, your business assets could get stuck in legal limbo, leaving your family in a financial mess. Years of hard work could unravel within months. Not exactly the legacy you want to leave, right? Then there's another scenario. What if you're still here, but you can't make decisions? This is where a lasting power of attorney for business matters comes in. This isn't the same as a personal LPA, which looks after your private affairs. A business LPA authorises someone you trust to make business decisions if you can't. Maybe they'll handle the day-to-day running, manage payroll, or make critical decisions that keeps things on track. The key here is to choose someone who knows your business inside and out and who can step into your shoes if needed. Because if you're not protecting what you've built, all your hard work could come crashing down, and neither your business nor your family would be prepared. And then there's insurance. First on the list is life cover. You've probably insured your house, your car, maybe even your pet. But what about your income? If you don't have life cover yet, consider getting a relevant life policy. Your company can pay the premiums, and they're usually tax deductible. And next up, income protection. If you're knocked out of action by a serious illness or injury, income protection ensures the money keeps coming in. For £1,000 a month of cover, a 50-year-old might pay between £50 and £80 per month, less if you're younger. And those tax-free payments could be a lifesaver, keeping your personal finances stable while you recover. And then finally, there's private health insurance. The NHS is fantastic, but as a business owner, you can't afford to wait months for treatment. Private health insurance isn't a luxury, it's often a necessity. Depending on your age and location, you could pay between £40 and £130 per month for comprehensive cover. The quicker you're treated, the quicker you're back in the game. And when time is money, that's crucial. So here's the bottom line. You didn't build your business by accident, and it won't protect itself by accident either. You need to take action. Get your continuity plan in place, write your will, set up a lasting power of attorney, and make sure you've got the right insurance, life cover, income protection, maybe private health insurance. Those are the safety nets you need. These are essentials every business owner should have, and they're what separates successful entrepreneurs from everyone else. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.